Okay. Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So already carbonyl compounds are completed in previous classes. So next last and final topic is carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So actually chapter name organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, last topic is carboxylic acids. So first one is alcohols, second phenols, third ethers, next carbonyl compounds are aldehys and ketones, and next one carboxylic acids. So for example, HCE double bond OH, HCE double bond OH, one of the carboxylic acid, that is formic acid. Formic acid formula HCE double bond OH, HCE double bond OH. Next CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH, same one of the carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. And next one, for example, C6H5, C6H5 C double bond OH, C double bond OH. And compound name is benzoic acid. Compound name is benzoic acid, one of the carboxylic acid. And these two are that is formic acid and acetic acid. So these two are aliphatic carboxylic acids, aliphatic without aromatic ring. And next this is aromatic carboxylic acid. So best example of aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, formula C6H5C double bond OH. So aliphatic acids, formic acid and acetic acid, and aromatic acid, benzoic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, formula C6H5C double bond OH. Okay. And next heading, very important, preparation methods. Preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Next heading, preparation methods. Preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Preparation methods of carboxylic acids. So different preparation methods. For example, first preparation method from alcohols or oxidation of alcohols. From alcohols or oxidation of alcohols. For example, ethyl alcohol. Generally, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Compound name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, one of the alcohol. Oxidation of alcohols, that means presence of oxidizing agent. Presence of oxidizing agent, that is K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, or potassium permanganate KMnO4, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, or potassium permanganate KMnO4. Then alcohol directly converted into aldehyde. Alcohol directly converted into aldehyde. For example, CH3 C double bond OH. Compound name is acetaldehyde. Compound name is acetaldehyde. And further oxidation of aldehydes, then acetaldehyde directly converted into carboxylic acid, that is CH3 C double bond OH. Our compound acetic acid. So preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Any carboxylic acid, for example acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. And first preparation method is oxidation of alcohols. Actually, there are the formula CH3 CH2 OH. In the presence of strong oxidizing agents, that is K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4, potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate. Then ethyl alcohol directly converted into acetaldehyde. And acetaldehyde, further oxidation, acetaldehyde converted into acetic acid. So finally alcohols converted into aldehydes, and aldehydes converted into carboxylic acid in the process of oxidation. Generally oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atoms. So alcohols converted into aldehydes, and aldehydes converted into carboxylic acids in the process of oxidation. And second preparation method is from aldehydes. From aldehydes. For example, from acetaldehyde. From acetaldehyde. Generally, acetaldehyde formula: CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. So this is one of the aldehyde. The acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula: CH3 C double bond OH. In the presence of oxidizing agent, that is manganese acetate, CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn, capital Mn, manganese acetate, one of the oxidizing agent, that is CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn. Actually, acetate ion charge CH3 C double bond O minus, and manganese Mn plus 2. Criss-cross method. So very simple. CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn. So manganese acetate, one of the oxidizing agent. So very simple oxidation of aldehydes. So addition of only one oxygen atom, or addition of only one oxygen atom. Very simple, one oxygen atom. So very simple, one oxygen atom or half O2, no problem. One oxygen atom or half O2, that means single oxygen atom. So half O2 means single oxygen atom. So very simple, CH3 C double bond OH plus half O2, that means single oxygen atom. Then CH3 C double bond OH converted into CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. So this is our compound acetic acid or carboxylic acid. Okay. So first method is from alcohols. So ethyl alcohol converted into acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde converted into acetic acid. And second method is from aldehydes. For example, acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. The kinds of manganese acetate CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn, one of the oxidizing agent. And oxidation means addition of oxygen atom. For example, half mole of O2, 2 cancel, so only single oxygen atom. Then CH3 C double bond OH. So CH3 C double bond OH. So our compound is acetic acid. Okay. So first method is from alcohols, and second method is from aldehydes. Okay. And third preparation method. So first method from alcohols or oxidation of alcohols, and second method is from aldehydes. And third one, very very important method, from Grignard reagents. Already completed in previous class. From Grignard reagents. So generally Grignard reagents formula: R bond Mg bond X, magnesium metal, R bond Mg bond X, Grignard reagent. And best example of Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide, CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. Okay. For example, carbon dioxide, generally carbon dioxide formula CO2, carbon dioxide formula CO2, carbon dioxide. Plus Grignard reagent, for example, CH3 bond Mg bond Br, one of the Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide. So this is Grignard reagent. formula CH3 bond Mg bond Br, one of the Grignard reagent. Carbon dioxide formula CO2 plus Grignard reagent CH3 bond Mg bond Br. Very simple. So carbon is a donor atom, so positive charge, and oxygen is an acceptor, so negative charge. So compared to carbon, oxygen has a high electronegativity charge. So oxygen is a acceptor, so minus charge, and carbon is a donor atom, so positive charge. So carbon has a positive charge and oxygen has a negative charge. Next, MgBr has a positive charge and CH3 has a negative charge. Negative charge. So very simple. So -2 plus, -2 plus, next +2 minus, +2 minus. So very simple answer. First of all, C double bond O, C double bond O. Next -2 plus, so -2 plus, so CH3, CH3. Next O minus MgBr, O minus MgBr, capital M, O minus MgBr. And further this compound react with water molecule. Water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion, H plus OH minus ion. So first of all, byproduct very important, that is MgOH-Br. So byproduct is MgOH-Br, magnesium bromohydroxide, magnesium bromohydroxide. And remaining answer is CH3, C double bond O, OH. So remaining answer is CH3, C double bond O, OH. Our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond O, OH. Okay. First of all, carbon dioxide formula CO2 plus Grignard reagent CH3 bond Mg bond Br. So very simple. Carbon is a donor atom, so positive charge, acceptor, negative charge. Next CH3 minus MgBr plus, so +2 minus, -2 plus. So CH3, so C double bond O, CH3, O minus MgBr, and further this compound react with water molecule H plus and OH minus ion. So very simple, MgOH-Br, magnesium bromohydroxide. Remaining answer CH3, C double bond O, OH, acetic acid, acetic acid. Very simple. For example, same carbon dioxide plus. So third method from Grignard reagents. And next example 2. Example 2. Okay. Okay, first one acetic acid, and next same. For example, carbon dioxide, same. Carbon dioxide formula CO2, okay, CO2 plus phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide or aryl magnesium bromide. Aryl magnesium bromide, MgBr. It is also one of the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. First one CH3 bond MgBr, and product is carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. And second one is aryl magnesium bromide or C6H5MgBr. It is also one of the Grignard reagent. So very simple answer. First of all, C double bond O. C double bond O. Next aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. Okay. C double bond O. Next O minus MgBr. O minus MgBr. And further this compound react with water molecule. Water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. Very simple answer. So MgOH-Br. So byproduct is MgOH-Br, magnesium bromohydroxide. Magnesium bromohydroxide. Remaining answer C6H5, C double bond O, O minus H plus ion. C6H5, C double bond O, C double bond O minus H plus ion, and compound name is benzoic acid. Compound name is benzoic acid. So first one is acetic acid, aliphatic acid. Second one is benzoic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid. So very simple, same carbon dioxide formula, CO2, and Grignard reagent, for example, phenyl magnesium bromide or aryl magnesium bromide. So C double bond O, next phenyl group O minus MgBr, and further this compound reacts with water molecule RH plus and OH minus ion. So very simple, MgOH Br. So byproduct is magnesium bromo hydroxide. So remaining answer C6H5, C double bond O minus H plus ion, benzoic acid. So one of the aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay. So first method is from alcohols, and second one is from aldehydes, and third one is from Grignard reagents. Carbon dioxide plus methyl magnesium bromide, acetic acid. Carbon dioxide plus aryl magnesium bromide, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So this is third method from Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents. And fourth method. Fourth one. First method from alcohols, second one from aldehydes, and third one from Grignard reagents. And fourth method, important, from alkyl cyanides. From alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides. For example, methyl cyanide. For example, methyl cyanide. So generally methyl cyanide formula CH3 bond Cn. So this is methyl cyanide, one of the alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide, CH3 bond Cn, plus 2 moles of water. So methyl cyanide react with 2 moles of water in the presence of H plus ion. That means presence of dilute acid. Presence of dilute acid. Any acid, dilute acid. Then methyl cyanide directly converted into acetic acid. Our compound acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. One of the carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH, and byproduct is ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Very simple. First of all, methyl cyanide CH3Cn, and methyl cyanide, hydrolysis of methyl cyanide. So methyl cyanide reacts with 2 moles of water in the presence of H plus ion or presence of dilute acid. Okay. Then methyl cyanide directly converted into acetic acid CH3C double bond OH, and byproduct is ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Ammonia formula NH3. For example, next one, important reaction from toluene. From toluene. Toluene. Generally toluene or methyl benzene. Methyl benzene formula C6H5CH3. So this is toluene or methyl benzene. Toluene or methyl benzene. Toluene or methyl benzene. In the presence of strong oxidizing agent, potassium permanganate KMnO4. Or K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, strong oxidizing agents. So then toluene directly converted into benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula C6H5 C double bond OH. Benzoic acid, one of the aromatic carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. And byproduct is water. Water formula H2O. Very simple. So oxidizing agent. So addition of 3 oxygen atoms. 3 oxygen atoms. So toluene formula or methyl benzene or C6H5CH3 in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, that is potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. So addition of 3 oxygen atoms. 3 oxygen atoms. Then toluene directly converted into benzoic acid and byproduct is water. For example, 3 oxygen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms plus 1, 3 oxygen atoms. Next 3 hydrogen atoms, so 1 plus 2, 3 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of carbon, aromatic ring, next aromatic ring. Okay? So toluene directly converted to benzoic acid in the presence of strong oxidizing agents like potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Okay? So from alkyl cyanides, methyl cyanide formula CH3Cn plus 2 moles of water in the presence of dilute acid, that means H plus ion. Then methyl cyanide directly converted into acetic acid and byproduct is ammonia. Byproduct is ammonia, NH3. Next same from toluene formula C6H5CH3 in the presence of strong oxidizing agents like potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. So addition of 3 oxygen atoms. Then toluene directly converted into benzoic acid and byproduct is water. Byproduct is water. Okay. So this is fourth method from alkyl cyanides and fifth method from toluene. Next. Next method, sixth one. Okay, sixth method. Sixth one from esters. Sixth method from esters. Very important, from esters. For example, CH3, C double bond O bond CH2, bond CH3. It is one of the ester. So very simple. Bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl. Okay, ethyl. And CH3, C double bond O means acetate. So compound name is ethyl acetate, one of the ester. Plus water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So very simple answer to break the one bond. So CH3, C double bond O, H, acetic acid. Our compound acetic acid. CH3, C double bond OH plus CH3 bond, CH2 bond OH. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. Okay. So first one is acetic acid, and second one is ethyl alcohol. So our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, CH3, C double bond OH, and second one is ethyl alcohol. Okay. And sixth method from esters. Generally, ester formula ethyl acetate, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3 plus water molecule formula H2 or H plus OH minus ion. So CH3, C double bond O, H, acetic acid, and to CH3, CH2, OH, ethyl alcohol. Our compound acetic acid and ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH. Okay. And next one is from methanol or methyl alcohol. From methanol or methyl alcohol. Okay. So generally methyl alcohol formula CH3 bond OH. Methyl alcohol or methanol OH. Methyl alcohol or methanol. And methyl alcohol react with carbon monoxide. CO, carbon monoxide. Very important. Carbon monoxide formula CO. In the presence of cobalt or rhodium catalyst. Cobalt or rhodium catalyst. Then methyl alcohol directly converted into acetic acid. CH3 OH. So CH3 C double bond OH. So very simple. CH3 bond C double bond OH. So our compound acetic acid. Formula CH3 C double bond OH. Okay. So sixth method from esters. So generally ester, best example of ester, that is ethyl acetate, formula CH3 C double bond OCH2 CH3 plus water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So very simple. CH3 C double bond OH, acetic acid. Next CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. And next one from methyl alcohol or methanol. Methyl alcohol formula CH3OH react with carbon monoxide in the presence of cobalt or rhodium catalyst. So then methanol converted into acetic acid. Formula CH3 C double bond OH. Okay. And next method. Next method. Eighth one. From acid halides. From acid halides. Acid halides. Acid halides. That means acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. So best example of acid halide, that is CH3, C double bond O, Cl. One of the acid halide, that is acyl chloride. Acyl chloride, formula CH3, C double bond O, Cl. So one of the acid halide are acyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. So react with water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion in the presence of dilute acid. In the presence of dilute acid, H plus ion. So very simple answer. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So remaining answer CH3, C double bond O, OH. Our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. CH3, C double bond O, OH. So compound name is acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond O, OH. And the last and final method from amides. From amides. For example, estamide. So estamide formula CH3, C double bond O, NH2, one of the amide. So this is acetamide. CH3, C double bond O, NH2. So generally amine formula bond NH2, but amide formula bond C double bond O, NH2. So this is amide, C double bond O, NH2. And heading is from amides. For example, estamide formula CH3, C double bond O, NH2. Same estamide reacts with water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion in the presence of dilute acid. H plus ion, dilute acid, presence of dilute acid. So very simple answer. For example, H plus ion, next to NH2 plus H plus ion. So very simple answer, ammonia formula NH3. Remaining answer CH3, C double bond O, OH. Our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, formula CH3, C double bond O, OH. So this is acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond O, OH. Okay. So first one from acid halides, that means acyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl plus water molecule formula H2O in the presence of dilute acid, that means H plus ion. So very simple answer, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so HCl. Remaining answer CH3, C double bond O, OH, acetic acid. And next one from amides. For example, estamide formula CH3, C double bond O, NH2 plus water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So very simple, NH2 plus hydrogen, NH3, and remaining answer is CH3, C double bond O, OH. Our compound carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. So these are preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Okay. So first method very important. So first method already completed. So first method is oxidation of alcohols. From alcohols. Second one from aldehydes. Or oxidation of aldehydes. And third one Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagents. And fourth one from alkyl cyanides. For example, methyl cyanide, CH3 bond Cn. And fifth one from toluene formula C6H5 CH3 or methyl benzene. And sixth one important reaction from methanol or methyl alcohol CH3 OH plus carbon monoxide. Seventh one from acid halides, that is CH3 C double bond O, Cl. And eighth one from amides. And ninth one from esters. So already completed from esters. So these are preparation methods of carboxylic acid. So first method, oxidation of alcohols. So alcohols convert into aldehydes and aldehydes convert into carboxylic acid. Second one, same oxidation of aldehydes, acetaldehyde in the presence of manganese acetate. And third one is from Grignard reagents. For example, carbon dioxide plus methyl magnesium bromide, acetic acid. Carbon dioxide plus aryl magnesium bromide, benzoic acid. And fourth one is from alkyl cyanides, methyl cyanide plus 2 moles of water, then acetic acid plus ammonia. Fifth one from toluene in the presence of potassium permanganate, then toluene directly converted into benzoic acid. And sixth one from esters, CH3 C double bond O, CH2 CH3 plus water. And seventh one is imported from methanol, CH3 OH plus carbon monoxide, acetic acid. And eighth one from acid halide CH3C double bond O Cl plus water. Next from amides, estamide formula CH3C double bond O NH2 plus water molecule H plus and OH minus ion in the brains of H plus ion. Then estamide converted into acetic acid and byproduct is ammonia. Okay, so these are preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Okay, right.